Hey friends, welcome to the part 11 of this playlist. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please take this opportunity to subscribe. You will get alerts for all cloud certification contents around AWS, GCP and Azure. So this is one question. Let's look at this one. So imagine a courier company sending products from one place to other. It's a similar scenario where you want to take some objects from S3 bucket to a different region and account. So what actions will you take? You have to choose three answers. So first one says that you will create a replication IAM role. This, see, the courier company which is sending this product, they will have to do it, right? Somebody will be responsible for sending this. There must be a role assigned for that. Hence this looks correct. See, source is replicating, target is just receiving. That means the courier company is sending it to some person. The target is only receiving the package. So target will not require this role for sending because target is not sending. Source is sending. C talks about using a source bucket policy. See, we created IAM role in the source account. That account should be able to replicate objects. So with that respect, we will have to set this in the target area. So this is correct, and we have to create a replication rule in the source bucket to enable the replication because the goods are being sent from the source to the target. That's why we put it here. So F is wrong because replication will happen from source to target, not from target to source, right? So this would be my final answer. See, you have EC2 instances and you want to know about new vulnerabilities. So suppose in projects, right, you are using EC2 now, but you don't know how exposed these are to bad players. You want to know that, and every day there is a progress with respect to hackers identifying new ways of getting into your system. So you want to know that. What will you do? See, vulnerabilities, who detects? Like a thief, who catches a thief? Who detects? Police, cops. So this is your cop, inspector. So this is inspector's job, police job. So this portion is correct. We have a second requirement for audit trail. So CloudWatch is the service. This is right. It will help you, log the activities. So these agents, no, for example, we install these agents in all EC2 instances. From wherever you want to understand the activity log or you want to capture it. So this is meant for this purpose, but let us look for other things, other options. See, CloudWatch, you want to know what activities, like a watchman in your apartment complex, who came in, who went out. That is the activity. For that, you have watchman. But to catch a thief, watchman has no privileges or rights. Police or cops have that. That's why you cannot use watchman to catch thieves. This is wrong. And then they're saying you use config daemon for system logs. The config we use if you want to know if there are configuration changes of that EC2 instance. Somebody came and changed the configuration. Who changed? Why did changed? When did they change? Does the question tell you that you want to understand who changed the configuration? No, right? So this is wrong. Now B is talking about using system manager, both the places, both requirements. It is used to centrally manage all application and resources in the Amazon world. It also works with hybrid cloud, that is on premises plus AWS cloud. So here we are talking about vulnerability. We are not talking about managing resources and applications. So this is wrong. Same here, it is using system manager for vulnerabilities. This is wrong. And Kinesis agent, why we use? Whenever you see this Kinesis, always think about real-time data capturing, primarily from devices, IoT devices, Internet of Things. streaming data, streaming videos, like a CCTV footage. It is streaming and you want to immediately go through the videos and see when the accident happened and just analyze that clip, like record the vehicle numbers and so on. That can be possible, but not for activity logging. So A is also wrong. So this would be my final answer. See, there is a story, but what we need to do here is they have Aurora database. You see this Aurora? So it is used for high performance and SQL based database. So they want one single product catalog in all regions, but for compliance, the customer information must be kept in each region. So there are two requirements. This is one, and this one is the second one. See, the moment I see least amount of application changes, that means I have to stay in Aurora database only. So I will see anything which is Redshift and mark it wrong. Anything with DynamoDB, I will mark this wrong. Anything with DynamoDB, I will mark this wrong. So this would be my answer. But will Aurora help here? Aurora with read replicas. See, product catalog, you want one, suppose there are 10 products in the catalog. Same 10 products should be used in each region. So read replicas will work because the primary database, we will update the catalogs and it will get replicated in the read replicas. So all region will use the read replicas and it will always have one single product catalog. So the problem is solved there. Now the second requirement is you need to store customer information and purchases in each region. So you will create additional Aurora instances in each region and where you will store customer information and purchases locally. So you have met the second requirement also, right? So this would be my final answer. I hope if you have not yet subscribed, you would take this opportunity to subscribe. This channel is dedicated to help you clear cloud certifications. You can click the join button below this video. I will also post the link in the description. At a very small premium, you can gain access to some more important real certification questions. See you in the next part. This brings us to the end of part 11. I will keep posting many more such parts in future. Stay tuned, be a subscriber, be a member.